No crack line now.
Oh, you bugger. Gotta get me some flappy paddles. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yes guys, and welcome back to the channel. So we are at Trent House, which is home of Treadmark Wheels and Tyres, and also Your Car HQ. So a very special day today guys, because we're getting these wheels swapped out for something very special to Ronnie, his new wheel range called Oscar Racing Wheels. So if you've not seen them already, go check out his website, Instagram. He's on all socials, Oscar Racing and Treadmark Wheels and Tyres, guys. So let's go have a look inside at the wheels, and then hopefully we're going to get these babies on. So what we're doing first is going to build the wheels up, and then we can get them on. Look, that one's just being done there, and we'll catch the next one going on, guys. Right, so the tyres we've gone for, guys, on Ronnie's recommendation, are the Yokohama Advans. Quite a nice looking tyre, to be fair. So we'll see how these perform. Wheels on the machine. Wait to get these bad boys on. Try not to pressure him too much with the camera. Just forget I'm here, mate. Block it out. That's how you do it. New valves going in. So that's the Yoko tyre fitted. Looking even better with the tyres fitted. I'll wait to get these babies on. Yes guys, it's time to take the car around so they can get the wheels and tyres on. So So we're all jacked up, guys. Notice the block of wood because it's stupidly low. But yeah, we'll get these babies on. Right then guys, first wheel's going on. Yes. They're all bad boys. Yeah, so basically those wheel nuts, they have like a little aluminium cap that goes in at the end. Yeah. And because I couldn't get the right green, I've basically, I've got them at home, I haven't brought them with me. They just go on with like an Allen key. And basically I've hoping they're going to come out all right, because I've painted them using the caliper paint. You know, so they're the same green. Yeah, because otherwise they'll have to be black. Because obviously getting the right green to match caliper paint's a nightmare. But yeah, they're good wheel nuts I've got on my other cars. Yeah. You don't see many of them, do you? No. Right, so we've got Lucas at the minute round on the other side, fitting the other two, but this side is on, and I am absolutely gassed. These wheels look absolutely phenomenal. Bad boy was the terminology that Lucas gave it. So yeah, when it's all down on the ground and the suspension's settled, guys, it's gonna look bad boy. Fancy bolts. Hey, that's got some good camber on it. He's having his workout today. You don't need to go to the gym now.
Absolutely sweating.
So yeah, he's on the last one now, on the front. We can get these RS wheels back on the Mark II estate now for summer. Now the sun shines here. We'll get them loaded up in a minute.
Press the brake for me, mate. Last one.
Yes, mate. Last one going on. You can have a break then, mate. Right, we'll let him finish that one up, and then we're also going to nip inside, guys, and show you the wheel ranges that he does. Right then, guys, as you can see, James and Sophie are actually in the background because they've popped down just to have a look rather than waiting for the photo to go up in the group chat. But yeah, the wheels are on, guys, and I literally cannot wait to show you them. See you later. Ooh, 5-part. So yeah, back to the wheels. Oscar Racing 2012s. They look absolutely fantastic. So we need to get inside, go pay the bill, and hopefully we can have a chat with Ronnie himself and show you their fantastic new showroom, guys. then guys, unfortunately we didn't get to have a chat with Ronnie because he's a very busy man, but hope you enjoyed the cinematics of all the wheels he's got. Literally all different sizes, all different designs. There's something here for everyone, guys. Get yourselves down here, ask for Ronnie, say I sent you, he'll look after you. But yeah, bills all paid, and yeah, can't wait to give the car a clean now, guys. You can probably see the RS wheels in the background, wondering what I'm doing with them. They'll be going back on the Mark II estate now. Now the warmer weather's here, because I run the 17s through the winter on the old daily light. But yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, give it a share. We'll see you soon, guys.